Hi, this is Mr. Tweeden again. I'm going to show you how to get your star wheel set up. Remember, this is something that is mandatory. You have to have it. It will make your life so much easier. So make sure you get a star wheel. You got a couple options. You can purchase one. This is one that I have. It's called the Scientific's Direct Star and Planet Locator. It's a really good one. You can get that one on Amazon. There's a few other links that I put onto Amazon as well, so check those out. But the other one that is free, I'm going to show you how to set this one up. It looks like this. That's one part. And the other part looks like this. And I'm going to show you what to do with both of these parts. So first of all, I'm going to put X's on places that you need to cut out. And so on this page, all those places with X's, make sure you get rid of. And on here, this is an X. So just that middle spot plus these areas. So the top can go, the middle can go, and just that bottom can go, but do not cut out this area right here. Keep that area looking good. So I'm going to cut that out and I'll tell you how to set it up. Alright, so now I've got my circle cut out like that, and I've got my star wheel cut out like that. So there's a hole, but I've kept this bottom part. So what you're going to do is on this bottom part where this line is, you're going to fold it, creating a pocket. So fold it right on that line, like so. Just like that. If you got a little bit of an edge at the top, that's okay. Fold it like that. And then these lines right there are designed for a staple, but since I don't have a stapler at home, I just have some tape. I'm going to put a little piece of tape like so. I'm going to do another one on the other side. So another little piece of tape there, folding it over. So now I kind of have this little pocket, and then the circle fits right behind that. So it's looking just like that. So you want the date, which is on the white, to be outside of the time, which is on the black, just like that. And then what happens as you turn this back part, the stars inside here are turning with you. So as the time changes throughout the night, the stars will turn like that. So I'll make another video explaining better how to use this, but that's how you set this up if needed.